Hi guys, welcome to this video on this channel. Guys, in this video I want to reveal to you a very good important information that you are missing out. Before I go into this detail, guys, this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice video, but I want to reveal to you why I am buying this exchange native token. This exchange is called CoinEX. Guys, this is a very good exchange platform. But before I go into details, why I want to buy this and why you should buy this token as well, I want to give you some important information that you might not need to know. So we go into our CoinMarketCap and check this information. Now, here is CoinMarketCap. What you see on the screen is MXA token, that is MSC Global token. At initial, guys, this particular token listed at the price of 0.07. That is what you see here, is 0.07. Now imagine you buy this token at 0.07 and when the price is as high as $5 and you're able to buy like $10 worth of this token, you know what it means. That is very huge profit. This is not a meme coin, it's an exchange native coin. It's very good that you should invest on such. The other one I want to talk about is git.io native coin. As well, you can check that on your KuCoin. Type in git.io, which is here. Now, this token is currently as high as $23.13, which is very massive, and the price of this token was as low as 0.0 it went to 0.09, and you can see now is as high as $23. Imagine yourself, guys, having this token when it was listed at 0.0 something. You are able to buy $10 worth of this token and you keep it till this moment. You know what it means. One thing about crypto is that crypto is not a get rich quick syndrome, but it makes a lot of people millionaire. Then the king of them all is Binance, that is BNB. We know Binance to be a BNB. It has its own native token called BNB. So let's type in BNB here. Now BNB is as high as $709 at the time of this video is being recorded. And don't forget, when BNB was listed, it was listed to be 0.1 UXD. Imagine you bought this token then at rate of 0.1 and you bought just 10 UXDT of this token. Now, if you take a note, of what I've been saying, I made mention of 10 UXDT. Why I made mention of 10 USDT that even if you invest 10 UXDT on each of these tokens and it later turn out to be problem or to go down, you will not feel such, but you see it as a means of keeping your money. Now, imagine you have $10 worth of BNB when the price was 0.1. You know what that it means? It's a very good amount. So now I'll just dive into calculator and show you what you may likely get when the price of this token is below 1 UXD. For instance, you have BNB at 0.1, so you have $10 that you want to invest on this. This your $10 divided by 0.1, which is equal to this. You have $100 BNB when the token was listed at 0.1. Now multiply 100 by 709.6 is equal to, by now you are at the price of 70,860 UXDT. Now this, you can do the same calculation for GT as well for MSC Global. You know what it means if you join this token at early stage. That is why I want you guys to go and invest small amount of UXDT on this coin, on this exchange native coin. This is called CoinEX exchange. Is a very good exchange. So with that little information I've shared with you guys, now it is high time you subscribe to this platform and buy this token, even if it is $10 dollar you can afford to buy this token. As at time of this video is being recorded, guys, the price of this token, that is ET token, which is the native token of CoinEX exchange, is as low as 0.070787 UXDT. And to lay your hand on this particular exchange, all you have to do is very simple, guys. Click the link in the video description, provide all the necessary information to create your account. Creating an account on this platform is very simple. Provided you can lay your hand and do small thing on the internet, you'll be able to create your account on this platform. So don't miss out on this opportunity. If you have not subscribed to this particular exchange native token, I consider you guys to go and do that, because this might be a game changer for you. So if you do enjoy what I've explained in this video, why I'm investing my money on CoinEX exchange token, that is, if you really enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon and select all, so that you're notified when we drop another important update on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.